Introducing VOL 6130, a versatile wood chipper and tree saw. Portable and flexible, it suits various mobile scenarios. After shredding branches, they can be used for sawdust, biomass pellets, furniture recycling boards, and charcoal. Applicable to farms, printing shops, and more. With diesel and electric engines, it offers power options. Manufactured by Volnos in Shandong, it comes with a 1-year warranty. Experience the hot product of 2019, equipped with essential components and hydraulic feeding system. Customizable colors available.